One of the 5 achieved criteria in the measurement internal is to be able to convert either area units, volume units, or volume to capacity, and I'm going to show you how to do all those 3 conversions in the next 2 and a bit minutes. This is a bit of a diagram on how you convert meters squared to, say, centimeters squared. Notice all the jumps, what you would expect. Centimeters to meters is 100, but because we're talking about area and area has a little 2 above the unit, we square that jump as well. And if I was to make jumps to the right, I would divide if I move to the right, or times as I move to the left. Here's a quick example. Convert 2.8 meters squared to centimeters squared. So if I start in the centimeters squared column and start the meters squared column and move to the left to the centimeters squared, notice that I'm going to times by 100 and do that twice. Common mistake is only to do it once, but if you square a number, it means multiply it by itself. 100 squared means 100 times 100. And you can do that on the calculator because you have a calculator. And you get 28,000 centimeters squared. Okay, it'd be worthwhile practicing a few more examples of this, jumping between the different units of area. Now, we're going to do a bit of magic now. Watch carefully. If you look at this new slide, see if you can see what's different. Okay, don't look at the example just yet. Look at the title. The title's definitely changed, but there's also something else that's changed. Can you see what it is? It's quite magical. Notice 3's in every single case have changed. It's millimeters cubed, centimeters cubed, and all the jumps now have changed from squaring the jumps and to cubing the jumps, multiplying them by itself 3 times. Look again, everything was squared, now we're talking volume, everything is cubed. Right? Another quick example, convert 53 meters cubed to centimeters cubed. Start with meters cubed, you're moving to the left, so you are timesing by 100 cubed, which means 100 times 100 times 100. So 53 times 100 times 100 times 100 comes to 53 million centimeters cubed. And it's the same if I was to go from meters cubed all the way down to millimeters cubed. I could take 2 paths, either the 1000 cubed or the 100 cubed times the 10 cubed. They both give me the same answer. Okay, that's volume conversion. Okay, now I'm going to teach capacity conversion from volume to capacity. Capacity is a measure of volume in a liquid sense, and we use litres to describe capacity. I'm going to start with a 1 litre container of cream. You can imagine this sitting in your fridge. Alternatively, you could imagine a milk bottle or possibly custard, but you get the idea. Now typically these cartons measure 7 by 7 at the base, centimetres by 20 centimetres in height. This is a very rough measurement, but if I multiply 7 by 7, you know the answer, 49. And this 49 is roughly 50, because remember I said the measurements were rough, and 50 multiplied by 20, the volume of this container is 1,000 centimetres cubed. Okay, so we're going from volume to capacity. That must therefore mean 1,000 centimetres cubed is equal to 1 litre. And we can see that from the bottle of cream. Now, remember our base unit. Well, another base unit, well, we're going to go from base unit to millilitres. And this base unit is going to be litres. It's the same idea as the metres to millimetres, or grams to milligrams. And the jump between the base unit and milli, we know is 1,000. So now I'm going to convert 1 litre into millilitres, and we know that to be 1,000. So the jump moving to the left is multiplication, so 1 litre is equal to 1,000 millilitres. 1 litre is equal to 1,000 millilitres. Therefore, 1 centimetre cubed, or rather 1,000 centimetres cubed, is still equal to 1,000 millilitres. Therefore, 1 centimetre cubed must equal 1 millilitre. Okay, this is something you need to remember for your internal tomorrow, or whenever it might be. It is tomorrow. Here's just another quick example of this in practice. Convert 3 metres cubed to millilitres. I'm going to convert the metres cubed to centimetres cubed, and so I multiply by 100 3 times. Answer 3 million centimetres cubed, which, because of our formula, that is the same number for millilitres. And if we want to get clever, we could then convert that back into litres by dividing by 1,000. If I move to the right, I divide by 1,000 as opposed to timesing. And then we have it. Not 2.5 minutes at all. 7.5 minutes. There we go.